DJM TV.
Breaking news: gunmen attacks police station in Awka as well as the INEC office. Plus, the government of Anambra State declares 3 days national mourning. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. A very big welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news happening all around the world. If this is the first time I've seen any of our video, a very big welcome to you. Do not forget to like this video, share, and also subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now let's take you straight up to the news. At about 8 p.m. on Sunday evening, the 23rd of May 2021, gunmen attacked the B Division police station in Awka, situated close to the Jerome Udoji Secretariat in Awka, which is the house to the civil service building in the state. The gunmen shot sporadically into the air, which sent fear into the hearts of residents in the area who had to run away for safety. The gunmen were said to be putting on mufti and were causing a lot of fear amongst the students and residents of the area. The area was said to be deserted, although security agents have already been put in place to forestall further attack on the facilities. The gunmen were said to have shot sporadically into the air at Aroma Junction in Awka before proceeding to the office of the Independent Electoral Commission and attacked it as well. A correspondent tried to get information from the resident electoral commissioner in Anambra State, Dr. Nwachukwu Oji, but he said he will not be able to give any information, although he is aware of the attack, but could not ascertain the level of damage that was done to the INEC office and could not officially comment on the issue. He said he needs to get a very clear picture on what really happened before he could say anything. Also, the police public relations officer DSP Toshuku Ikenga said, although the situation of the attack on the B Division police station was true, but he didn't know the accurate situation of things on ground as well, and as such he could not give any more confirmation on the issue. We got our eyes on the issue on the attack of the B Division police station and the office of the Independent National Electoral Commission. We will give you more details as they come in. Meanwhile, the Anambra State government has declared a 3-day state mourning for the Chief of Army Staff and other Army officials who passed on in the Kaduna plane crash. He has directed that in Anambra State, the Nigerian national flag are to fly at half-mast in all public facilities from Monday the 25th of May to Wednesday the 27th of May 2021. The statement was signed by Mr. Sidon Adinuba, who is the Commissioner for Information and Public Enlightenment in Anambra State. The mourning, according to Willie Obino, is in appreciation of the role of the Nigerian Armed Forces in bringing about peace, stability, and order in the country as a whole, and in Anambra State in particular. Together with the Nigerian Police Force, Department of State Security Service, Nigerian Civil Defense and Security Corps, and the Anambra Vigilante Group, the armed forces have played a huge role in making Anambra the most peaceful and safest state in Nigeria in the last 7 years. Despite the security breaches of the past few months, officers and men of the armed forces patrol are to this day patrolling streets, towns, and villages of the state, especially troubled parts, both day and night. Furthermore, in the statement, it said that as a result of the safe and peaceful environment, Anambra State has in the last couple of years attracted huge investments. The state has recorded investment worth between 4 and 5 billion US dollars, creating products and services as well as direct and indirect employment in various sectors. The people and government have always been proud of their relationship with the Nigerian Armed Forces, We are proud that the first university graduate to join the Nigerian Army, Dim Emeka Odumegu Ojukwu, was a worthy son of the state, despite being the son of Nigeria's wealthiest man in the 1950s and despite obtaining a master's degree in modern history from Oxford University. Dim Ojukwu joined the army as a non-commissioned officer and rose through the ranks. Now, he said as a result of this, the people and the government of Anambra State recognize that military duties are sacrificial, carried out to serve the public good. In the immutable language of the Holy Book, no love is greater than that a man should lay down his life for the benefit of others. John 15, verse 13. May the soul of Lieutenant General Ibrahim Atahiru and those of the officers and men who perished with him last Friday in the service of our motherland rest in peace. This is a statement by Willie Obino, the governor of Anambra State. And as he has directed, from Monday the 25th of May to Wednesday the 27th of May, the flags in Anambra State will fly at half-mast in honor of the departed members of the Nigerian Armed Forces. Many people have described the actions of the governor of Anambra State, Willie Obino, as an action which is uncalled for, stating that the president is the one who is supposed to call for national mourning and not a state governor. Anambra State has become the first state to call for a national mourning in honor of the departed soldiers. Also, many people had said that during the funeral rites of Lieutenant General Atahiru Ibrahim and others, that the president was absent, and as such, no state governor is supposed to call for a day or more or less 3 days of national mourning. Although others have said Willie Obino is setting a pace for others to follow, as he has shown that he's a man with love and empathy for the Nigeria Armed Forces, and that he recognizes the effort that the armed forces are playing in order to keep Anambra State peaceful and safe. Although shortly after this statement for the 3 days national mourning, an attack was made by unknown gunmen on the B Division police station and the INEC office in Awka, the state capital of Anambra State. And many people have said this is a result of what you get when you do things that are not within your jurisdiction. So guys, there you have it. The Anambra State government has called for 3 days mourning, and an attack was carried out shortly after this instruction was given. An attack was carried out on the police station and the INEC office. What do you think about Willie Obino's directive in the state that the flags should fly at half-mast? Is it being too forward? Do you think he's being too forward, or you think he's a patriotic Nigerian, trying to honor the fallen heroes of the country? Drop your comment in the comment section. And do you also think that his directive is the reason why an attack was launched again on a police station in Awka, the state capital, and the INEC head office in Anambra State? Drop your comment below in the comment section. This is where we'll come to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Do not forget to like the video, share, and if you've not subscribed, please do so right now. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so whenever we drop any news, you'll be one of the first persons to know what's happening in the country and all around the world. Until we come your way again with another edition of DJM TV Daily News Updates, do not forget to follow us on all our social media platforms, on Facebook, on Twitter, and on Instagram. Also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. My name is Lauru Favor, telling you that the security of our nation lies in our hands. So please, if you see anything, say something.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.